Hi there, my name is Pinzon and this is my Spring 1 progress. So for the summary, I just try to focus on the basics of the game. So the title screen displays the name of the game and informs the player to press the button. The game scene shows Neo Phoenix, the shooter spaceship, on the bottom center of the game. Neo Phoenix can be moved using the 4 arrow keys. A series of UFO enemies, which are the first type of enemies that will appear in the game, will appear on the screen. The UFO will fly horizontally back and forth and slowly move down toward Neo Phoenix whenever they touch the edges of the game scene. And the UFOs respawn at random places after a certain amount is eliminated. So now I'm gonna read the child user stories and the acceptance criteria. So as a gamer, I want to click the start button so that I can begin playing the game. So the opening view is clear from the screen when the start button is pressed, and the game begins as soon as the start button is pressed. As a gamer, I want to move Neo Phoenix using 4 arrow keys so that Neo Phoenix can navigate on the game scene. So Neo Phoenix moves to the right by 10 pixels with the right arrow key press, moves to the left by 10 pixels with the left arrow key press, so upwards with the up arrow key press, and same downwards for the down arrow key press. And for each of the 4 arrow key press, Neo Phoenix moves continuously as the key is kept pressing. As a gamer, I want to press the quit button so that I can exit the game, so the game ends when the quit button is pressed, and the window is automatically closed when the quit button is pressed. As a UFO enemy, I want to appear on the screen so that I can collide with the enemy. So the UFO appears at the designated location when the game starts, and the UFO appears at random locations when it respawns. As a UFO enemy, I want to fly horizontally back and forth so that the gamer cannot shoot me easily. So the UFO moves 5 units at each rendering. When the UFO touches the screen, it starts moving to the opposite side. And when the UFO touches the left side of the screen, it starts moving to the right again, and so on. As a UFO enemy, I want to respawn at random places so that the gamer cannot guess where I will appear. So the UFO is rendered at a random location within the frame of the game scene, and the UFO always starts moving to the right whenever it appears on the screen. As a UFO enemy, I want to fly downwards so that I can get closer to Neo Phoenix. When the UFO touches the screen, it starts moving to the opposite side. As soon as it touches the screen, it moves down by 20 units. The UFO will continue to move down indefinitely as it touches the corners of the screen. So now we see the implementation of the code of all that I have said so far has passed successfully. So we have the start screen, Neo Phoenix, that says press start to play. As I press start, I have Neo Phoenix, which can be moved like this, and I have the UFOs, which are moving and bouncing to the left and right, and every time they touch the screen, they get closer. Now, for the sake of showing how they respawn, if we touch them and they die after a certain amount, we can see that they respawn at random positions, and they will continue to do so. And then as I press quit, the game exits, and all successful so far for this basic implementation.